What's up, guys? It's Anthony, and in today's training, I'm going to show you exactly how to track foods in for a holiday meal. Well, I'll start with Thanksgiving, and I'll just show you guys what I would normally do for Thanksgiving and Christmas, but I want to basically show you what I do and what you can do to fit in the foods that you want during the holiday. Okay, now it's physically impossible for you to avoid everything at these holidays, and again, I don't expect you guys to have a salad. So I'm going to show you exactly how to fit these foods in to your plan and exactly what I would do. So I just made random numbers in my phone. So I just picked at random 1,500 calories, 160 protein, 133 carbs, 43 fat. Okay. So let's go in and exactly what I would do. So I'd wake up in the morning, and again, this is going to vary because you don't know who's going to have what, right? You don't know what you're going to be eating at some of these people's houses. You don't know who's going to have what dessert or what. So I'm going to show you what I normally would do. And again, you could wing this a little bit just to have an idea. So I know, okay, so I'm definitely going to have some turkey on Thanksgiving. So we'll go turkey breast, and you want to be specific, turkey breast, and we're going to go white meat because I don't like dark meat, but if you want a dark meat, you would type it in. So let's see if this one's correct. Nope, that's definitely wrong. Sometimes you got to be careful with these in MyFitnessPal because they are, yeah, this is right. Okay, 7 grams of protein, half a gram of fat. So I'm gonna have, again, so my palm is basically a serving of protein. So that's about 4 ounces. So I'm just gonna say I'm gonna have, we'll say 4 servings. Oh, not 4 ounces. We'll have 12 ounces of turkey. Okay, so that's 3 palmfuls of turkey. It's kind of a lot. If I want more, I could put more on, but we're just gonna start with that. All right, so now I am going to eat, let's go with sweet potatoes. So this is sweet potato plain, right? 4-ounce potato, again, probably about the size of your fist. So let's go with an 8-ounce sweet potato. So that's what we have. And let's just say there's some marshmallows on it. So sweet potato, marsh. I wonder if I could find sweet potato and marshmallows. Let's see. Marshmallows, let's see. Sweet potato, pecan. See, like sweet potato casserole. Maybe that's what you're gonna have, right? So that might be something good to put in there. So we'll go with, that's about half a cup. We'll go with one of those instead of the sweet potato. So I'll delete that out. All right, and we're gonna go with some stuffing. So again, you want to try to relate what the stuffing would be to something that you could know of. So like for example, let's say stove top stuffing, a generic 1 cup. That seems a little low. No, actually, maybe right. Stovetop mix. You get the idea, right? So just kind of looking for stuff that kind of makes sense. This one's probably the best, actually. So I have about a cup. We'll say we're going to have 2 cups of that. All right, so that's a decent meal. That's 900 calories right there. That's almost my whole day. So if I turn my phone again and I look at my macros, all right, so protein's in the last column here. So scroll down. So I have 28 fat left, 48 carbs, and 93 proteins, what I ate. So I have 67 protein left, 85 carbs, and 14 fat. So let's go back. Let's add in some dessert, because let's say I'm going to have some dessert with that, right? So, and again, you never know what's going to be there. You don't have to eat this much turkey or whatever the amounts I'm putting in, but I'm just showing you and giving you an idea. So what's, let's go with pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. 1/8 of a pie. Let's see if there's a different one here. Fairway. Yeah, it's about the same. Let's add that in there. So look, as you can see, I have 354 calories left and 61 grams of protein. So that's probably what I would do for my meal, right? So now that's what I'm eating when I get to Thanksgiving. So now I still have calories to fill. So what I'm going to do, and I'll turn back sideways again. So I have 61 grams of protein left for the day. I have 33 carbs and I have 10 fat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave those 33 grams of carbs and 10 grams of fat. I'm going to leave them free. I'm not going to fill them in, but I am going to fill in that protein because I got to eat something else before I get there. So meal number 2, let's say I have a shake. So if I have AB Fitness Whey, let's say I have 1 scoop in the morning, And then let's just say for my second meal, I have a big thing of egg whites. Let's say I have 8 egg whites. Turn my phone sideways. Look at that. 8 grams of protein left, 28 carbs, 8 fat. Done. That's exactly what my day would look like. And in reality, it doesn't look like a lot on here. But like I said, 12 ounces of turkey, that's 3 palmfuls of turkey. That's a lot of turkey. All right. Again, that's probably a lot of sweet potato casserole with pecans and marshmallows. I also have stuffing in there, and I have pumpkin pie. That's a decent meal. And again, if someone's eating 1,500 calories a day, that's most of the day. But as you can see, I still had breakfast. I still had some protein. I still hit my protein for the day. These 2 meals are going to also help to keep me fuller before I get there. So this is a strategy I would use for Thanksgiving. Exactly this. This is exactly what I would put in. And now let's do Christmas. So we stroll into the next day and let's do Christmas. So what are the Christmas foods? Lasagna. Again, I'm Italian, so lasagna is what we eat, I guess. I don't even know anymore. All right, so again, I want to look for something that I know of, like a brand that would be close to what I normally eat. I can't think of the brand. Can't think of the brand, but let's just go with one of these checked ones. Oh, this is a whole tray here. No, that's not right. 1 cup, no. That's why it's good to find a brand. See, like this is probably right, but we don't know what a serving is, so let's go back. Let's see. Costco lasagna, 330 grams. Kraft. I can't think of the name of it. I think it's Stouffer's. Let's see. I think that's the name of it. Yeah, here we go. That's what I was looking for. So Stouffer's makes lasagna, so I would literally use this. All right, so 0.2 of a tray. This is 1 pack. Those are little small packs. That's not right. This is a serving of their lasagna, which is about a cup, which is about a decent sized square. So add that in. What else? I don't even know what else. So chicken parm is something that we usually cook. So I already eat this because I do this pretty regularly, but chicken parmesan from Olive Garden. That's 1 chicken breast with cheese and sauce. I don't even know. What else do you eat on Christmas? I'm blanking out, guys. But you kind of get the idea, right? What's this, a dessert? I'm terrible at picking foods out here. But you kind of get the idea, right? So let's say, what would be a dessert that I don't know. Cupcake. Chocolate. We'll go with chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. And like I said, I really want to try to find something as accurate as I can. So I look for something that's, all right, so here you go. So this is like one of those KFC cakes. Okay, you know how big that size is. You know what that is. Like KFC serves this. So say, okay, this chocolate cake that I had is about that size. So let's add that in. So let's see what the damage I did with those meals. Again, I don't even know if that's accurate or not, what someone would eat. I just plugged it in there just to see what happens. All right, so as you can see, I'm already over my fat. I have 25 grams of carbs, which I will not fill, and I have 99 grams of protein left for the day. And I have 350 calories remaining. So what I would do in this case also, so we'll go back, meal 2, let's have some whey. We'll go 1 scoop of whey. And I love to do egg whites because egg whites are really filling and they'll help you get your protein intake in. So I did 8 egg whites, the same pretty much breakfast there. Turn sideways. Oh, I still have 46 grams of protein left. So I got significant amount to go. So again, go here, we'll go 2 scoops of protein. And maybe we'll go, so I hit my calories. See, I'm over my calories, but let's check my protein. I want to make sure I'm at least hitting my protein. 22 remaining. So at this point, because I went over my fat, because I'm over my calories, I probably wouldn't touch anything else. But again, significant meal here. So Christmas, again, if that's what you want to eat, and again, I don't really know can't even think about what I would normally eat on Christmas. But these are just what I put in. Again, it's 1,200 calories. So basically you're assuming 1,200 calories for that meal at least. And then you're still hitting your protein and carb intake. So I would have my serving of lasagna, a chicken parm breast, chicken parmesan, and a piece of chocolate cake. It's only one meal, right? And again, you can figure this out accordingly. Again, like I said, if it's not, I don't know, this, what else would you normally eat on, let's see, calamars, fried calamars, I think on fried calamar. So you see, I always go for like a big place. This is a lot of calories, like 530 in a cup. But I'm not gonna have a cup, I'm gonna have half. Don't be afraid to minimize it. Same thing. So I made that change. So let's say you're there and you want to make a change, same thing. 36 grams of protein. So I still got some protein left. So maybe there's shrimp, right? Maybe there's shrimp cocktail there. So shrimp. We'll go with the raw shrimp, 4 ounces. So 4 ounces is about the size of your palm. So we'll say we had 2 servings of that. So I love shrimp. Shrimp is so versatile. Check. Ooh, over my calories by 100, but let's see. Hit my protein, still have 16. The fat is killing me, but it's okay. As long as you're within range and as long as you're not, if you did something like this, say you had 3 pieces of lasagna, that's a problem. Look how many calories you're over there. That's a significant amount. So again, if we turn it back, go for the lasagna, go 1 serving of lasagna. So 100 calories over, you pass through the holiday, and that's it. Let's look at New Year's Eve. So let's say this is New Year's Eve. All right, you know you're gonna go out New Year's Eve. You know you're gonna have a couple of drinks. So let's go with say you're gonna have some tequila. Tequila. All right, so we know that there's 2 ounces, 1 ounce of tequila in a shot, 2 ounces in a drink. Let's say you have 2 drinks. So it's 4 ounces of tequila. And I did a video on this earlier, so I showed you guys how I got the carb intake. Basically, I just took the calories from tequila and I divided it by 4 to give you the macros for that. So there you go. So I have my tequila. Say I have some wine. Again, I already have this in here. See, because that's not right. So I got AB Fitness wine, as you can see. We'll go with 4 ounces. So I had a glass of wine. Okay. I don't know what people would normally. What do you normally eat on New Year's? What's a bad food? Wow, I'm blanking out. Well, what's a bad food? What would you normally eat? Let's say pasta. Pasta. See, this is let's say pasta with clam sauce. Let's say pasta with clams. Let's see what comes up. Just clams. MyFitnessPal's killing me. Meatloaf and mashed potatoes. There you go. Let's say we ate that. I don't know. Like I said, I found it. But Clam Jumpers is actually a restaurant. So that's about a restaurant serving size of food. So let's just say that we had that. Boom, we're over 197 already just with the drinks and the meatloaf. Again, I'm picking things that are super high in calories just to show you my point. But this is like a bad example because look how much protein I have left. It's a lot of protein left. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this out because we're not going to eat that. Let's say that we have, geez, again, I don't know. Let's say the shrimp is there. 2 servings of the shrimp. Let's say we went crazy on desserts. Let's say we had a muffin. Go with a blueberry muffin. Oh, a Publix muffin. So a Publix muffin, again, we know the size of a Publix muffin. So let's say we had a muffin. What food would you normally eat? I'm really running out of ideas. Let's just go with a hot dog. Hot dog. This New Year's Day became a barbecue. So let's say you had a hot dog. I'm too lazy. Hot dog with bun. Let's see. 1 hot dog with bun. It's all right. Okay. Like I said, guys, I don't know. Let's just say that that's what you decided to eat on New Year's. Okay. Turn it sideways. Where are we at? Again, 107 grams of protein, but left to eat over my carbs, just under my fat. But look, I have about 300 calories left. So again, same scenario. I might go with, that wine. I'll go with 2 scoops of AB Fitness protein. 84 grams. And you know what? Let's just to be safe, let's go with egg whites again. 8 egg whites. So I'm over 53 calories, 30, perfect. So I'm just about 30 grams of protein short. But again, I'm still within the calories. I'm under the fat. So this was typically this was a good day. So you guys get the idea, right? The whole purpose of this is to be flexible. It's not to avoid the things that you don't want to eat. It's just a matter of just fitting it into the day. And again, these calories, for me, I'm a guy, 200 pounds. So these macros are really low for me. So I'm eating as if it was me here. But if it's someone who should be on 1,500 calories a day, this should be a little bit different in the amounts and stuff like that. But you get the idea. So a public giant muffin, 2 handfuls of shrimp is what I'm eating, a hot dog with a bun, a glass of wine, and 2 drinks. And that's where it puts me at. All right, so hopefully this video helped you guys fit the foods that you want to eat into your day during the holidays. This way, you come out of the holidays better than you went into it. Because again, the goal is not to binge and go crazy on the holidays, because your body doesn't care that it's a holiday. Your body only cares about these numbers. When I turn my phone sideways and I get these macros, this is what your body cares about. And again, so this was Thanksgiving, this was Christmas, and this was New Year's Eve. All good, because I'm all within my calorie ranges. As you can see, I'm within 100 calories or so of each. And that means that if I got on the scale and I got weighed and I took my body fat, it would yield probably no loss. It would yield a loss or no gain, I should say. All right, so that's the goal. That's what you guys are trying to do. So this is how you fit in the stuff that you want to eat on a daily basis, and especially during the holidays. All right, guys, hopefully this video helped you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. This way you never miss a beat, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.